हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. चॅप्टर नंबर 19 लाईफ सायकल्स ऑफ स्टार्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सर्च अँड यू विल फाइंड. A. Our galaxy is called dash dash. Answer is our galaxy is called as the Milky Way and Mandakini. Then B is for measuring large distance. Dash dash is used as a unit. Answer is for measuring large distance. The light year is used as a unit. The speed of light is dash dash kilometer per second. The speed of light is 3 lakh kilometer per second. D. There are about dash dash stars in our galaxy. Answer. There are about 100 billion stars in our galaxy. The end stage of the sun will be dash dash. Answer. The end stage of sun will be the white dwarf. F. Stars are born out of dash dash clouds. Stars are born out of interstellar clouds. G. Milky Way is a dash dash galaxy. Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. H. Stars are gigantic spheres of dash dash gas. Stars are gigantic spheres of hot gas. The masses of other stars are measured relative to the mass of the dash dash. Answer. The masses of other stars are measured relative to the mass of the sun. Light takes dash dash to reach us from the sun while it takes dash dash to reach us from the moon. Light takes about 8 minutes from the sun and takes 1 second to reach from the moon. K. The larger the mass of the star, the faster is its dash dash. Answer. The larger the mass of the stars, the faster is its evolution. I. The number of fuels used in the life of a star depends on its dash dash. Answer. The number of fuels used in the life of a star depends on its mass. So this is the diagram. The figure shows the spiral galaxy. Our solar system is situated in the similar galaxy. Then question number 2 is who is telling lies? A. Light year is used to measure time. Answer. False. Light year is used to measure distance. B. End stage of a star depends on its initial mass. Answer. True. C. A star ends its life as a neutron star when the pressure of its electrons balances its gravity. False. A star ends of its life as a neutron star when the pressure of its neutrons balances its gravity. D. Only light can emit from the black hole. False. Not even light can be emitted by a black hole. E. The sun will pass through the supergiant stage during its evolution. False. The sun will pass through the red giant stage during its evolution. F. The sun will end its life as a white dwarf. Answer. True. Third question is answer the following questions. त्यामध्ये A आहे how do stars form? Answer is there are a huge cloud of gas and dust in the empty spaces between the stars in the galaxy. These clouds are called as interstellar clouds and the size of an interstellar cloud is about a few light years. So the picture of interstellar clouds taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. When an interstellar cloud starts contracting due to some disturbance, its density and temperature increase. This results in formation of a dense sphere of hot gas and nuclear energy generation starts at the center of the star. Therefore, the gas sphere becomes self-luminous. Thus, a star is formed, that is, a star is born. A huge interstellar cloud can produce thousands of stars at a time. This is the diagram. A large cluster of stars. Most of these stars have formed from a single interstellar cloud. B आहे. B is why do stars evolve? Answer. Although stars appear stable for quite a long period of time, their properties do change, though very slowly. A change in the properties of a star leading to its passing through the different stages is called as evolution of the star. Burning of the fuel at the center of the star and gradual decrease in its amount is the main reason of evolution of a star. See, what are the three end stages of stars? Answer is, the first is the stars having initial mass less than 8 times the mass of the sun ultimately become white dwarfs. Second, stars having initial mass between the 8 and 25 times the mass of the sun ultimately becomes neutron star. Third, star having initial mass larger than 25 times of the mass of the sun ultimately turn into the black holes. Then why was the name black hole given? Answer is, when the star having initial mass larger than 25 times the mass of the sun reaches its end stage, its gravitational force and density increase exponentially. All nearby objects get attracted towards the stars and nothing can come out of it, not even light. All incident light is absorbed by the star. We can probably see a very minute black hole at its place. Hence the name is given as a black hole. E. Which type of stars and end their life as a neutron star? So, stars having initial mass between the 8 and 25 times of the mass of the sun end up as a neutron stars. When these stars pass through the supergiant stage, their size increases to 1000 times. Huge explosion that occurs in the last stage of these stars is very powerful and very high energy is given off. After the huge explosion called the supernova explosion, their central portion contracts in size to about 10 km. In this stage, such stars are completely made up of neutrons and hence are called as neutron stars. Question number 4 is A. If you are the sun, write about your properties in your own words. Okay, so first let's see. There are billions of stars in the galaxy called the Milky Way and Mandakini. I am one of the small stars called as the sun. I have my own family called as the solar system. There are planets, satellites, asteroids, comets and meteors in my family. My mass is 2 into 1030 kilogram, which is about 1.3 lakh times that of the earth, with the radius of 6,95,700 kilometer. My size is about 100 times that of the earth. My surface temperature is about 5800 K, while it is 1.5 into 10 raised to 10 into 10 7 Kelvin at the center. 72% of my mass consists of a hydrogen, which 26% consists of a helium. Rest 2% is made up of elements heavier than helium. I am about 4.5 billion years old and the scientists on the earth have concluded that not much change has taken place in my properties during this period. According to the scientists, in the end stage of my life, I will turn into a red giant star. Therefore, I will first explode and then contract to become as small as the earth. I will appear small as well as white and hence I will be called a white dwarf. This will be my last stage forever. Then B is describe white dwarfs. Answer is, depending on the initial mass, stars can reach one of the three end stages. White dwarf is one such stage of stars having initial mass less than 8 times the mass of the sun. These stars undergo huge expansion and their radius increases by a factor of 100 to 200. These stars appear reddish because of their large size and lower temperature. Hence, these stars are also called red giant stars. At the end of their evolution, the stars explode. Their outer gas envelope is thrown outward and the inner part contracts to the size of the earth. However, the density in the star becomes very high in this stage. The pressure due to electrons becomes independent of temperature and sufficient to balance the gravitational force for the ever. So this diagram shows the outer gaseous envelope, which is the thrown out during the formation of a white dwarf which is at the center. In this stage, such stars look white and due to their small size they are called as white dwarfs. सो अशा प्रकारे आपला जो चॅप्टर आहे, शेवटचा चॅप्टर होता हा आपला 19 नंबरचा लाईफ सायकल्स ऑफ स्टार्स, तो हा संपलेला आहे. तर तुम्ही प्रत्येक व्हिडिओ जर आवडली असेल तर लाईक करा व्हिडिओला आणि महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स, कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.